Hi guys, this is Annie Miriala. I'm going live on the subject of getting license in US from other country. If you studied in another country, how to get a license in the US. So you can get the license in the US if you studied other country. It is possible because that's what I did when I came first in 1997 to US. I came to New York and I joined in a Christian Valmy school thinking that I cannot transfer like you guys, So when I joined in that what the people said was, all the teachers and everybody told me, because I was better than them in waxing, facials, and all the subjects, because I've been working since I was 10th grade. So 10 years. I went to Christian Valmy when I'm 27-year-old. So I was doing excellent job on everything. So they told me, why you came to the school? Then I said, for my license. They said, no, you can directly apply. The students told me, no, you can apply directly. You will get the license. You don't need to come to school. Then the teachers, actually the school offered me a job for teaching. And they said, yes, you can get the license. At that point, then I went and called the board, and whatever it was, I could able to get the license. It was quite paperwork, but at that time I didn't know, the shortcuts. So I produced all of them. I got the license. At that point, I did not want to join in the school. I wanted to learn more. So I went to some of the peeling, like classes, because I needed license to get all those, to attend all those professional classes. They were outside, like kind of seminars they used to do. And then I did glycolic peels and, salicylic acids, all those things. I kind of did the courses, even the microdermabrasion at that time, it was new. Lots of like that, even some of the laser facelift and lasers resurfacing, all those treatments, I used to just go and do the classes. Then slowly I got to know a lot of people are struggling, because when people call me, they told me they joined in a cosmetology school just to get the license to perform eyebrows. I was like, what are you talking about? Why you need to join in a cosmetology? Because you're paying $15,000 and you have to go whole 1 year. And some states you need to go 2 years of school, especially like Georgia. And they are stuck with the license again, even though they went 2 years of school, because they did not pass the exam. Because their language is not, first language is not English. So they could not pass the exam. Again, they were stuck without the license. And I know one lady, she's paid $22,000 and she does not have license. Then they call me, ask me, can you help me? Yeah, I can still help you, but instead of wasting all that money, if you called me first, I would have got you license without going to the school, because you already went to the school and you have experience. We need to prove all that to the board. Then they would give you the license without any problem. But some states require exam, some state does not require exam. You can directly get the license. So when you inquire with me, I would request you to tell me first which state you are from, so that I can guide you what kind of paperwork you require and what kind of, exam you do. So after that, like once you do that, like you needed some kind of experience letters from your school or wherever you were working with. And if you had your own, if you show the establishment license or any kind of proof, then you're still fine in doing in getting the license. So I know so many women who are struggling to get the license and they're working without the license. And I would love to help those people who are struggling and working without the license. Please don't do that. Do not work without the license. Because the reasons are your insurance, your owner's insurance, or if you're working from home, insurances does not cover, and you might end up losing the house if somebody goes after you. Because if they trip and fall in your house when they came to get a facial or eyebrows, your home insurance does not cover, because this comes under your professional. and you don't have license because you don't have professional insurance too, because you don't have license, and that you might end up losing the house. I know so many cases. They call me at that point and I would help them what I could, but that's too late. And do not do those mistakes, guys. Please get the license. It's not expensive. It is very easy, very simple. All we have to do is we have to prove from your country that you did the course. Whoever from India, even from India, if you're from Gujarat, from Hyderabad, south, or from north, Delhi, Bombay, I helped everybody. Even in the US, if you're from New Jersey, New York, or you're from Georgia or Tennessee, anywhere, I helped all these states, like lots of states I helped. Even from Nepal, from Middle East, from Pakistan, I help a lot of people. So do not hesitate where you are. Even from the Spanish countries, I helped them. Because some of the countries, Spanish and also the Europe countries, they have licenses. So it's a lot more easier if they already have licensing in their countries. So we have to just transfer from there to here with very minimal document. Some people from Spanish countries, they don't have licenses. They never applied, but they studied. Then we have to do as educational papers. Then you can get the license. So it is, do not be insecure. If you don't have work permit, some people, they don't have work permit. Some people, they did not do 12th grade education. Those people, if you have a, what is that, the IRS, the tax filing number, you should be still able to get the license. And if you did not do the 12th grade, then you can do online 12th grade, and then you can get the license. You do need those things. You need either work permit, or you need meaning social security number, or you need tax ID, and you need 12th grade certification. What else? Like past, what else you require? You need certifications from your country. Sometimes, if you don't have enough hours in the certification, some people, they only did like 5 hours, 6 months, or 5 months, 4 months, then the state requires more than that. Then we can use somebody asked me something. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me on this. So that's what I said in the comments, so that I can answer now. That would be easier on me. And if you guys don't have enough hours, we can use your experience hours, because some of the states, they can count 1 year experience as 300 hours. So for example, if you had 5 years of experience, then 3 into 5, which is 1500, you can get. So 1500 is a lot. So like that, we can use in a different way. We can fulfill what your state requires. So I know all those things, requirements. So just, you can text me on WhatsApp. That's the best thing I find. I can answer immediately instead of the calls. So you can text me on WhatsApp saying that, oh, Annie, what is this, where we can go for this, that kind of stuff. So I can kind of guide you. Someone said something. So I can guide you on that, whatever I could do when it comes to getting the license. But please get the license and work. And one more thing I found, some of the people, when they called me, they said they do not have license, but the owner has the license and she's working under the owner's license. That is totally no, guys. You cannot work under the owner's license. Owner is only covered what she's doing services directly on a client. Only those she can perform. But what you're performing, you require your own license. For example, if the doctor comes and says, oh, I don't have license, I'm working under my colleague's license, but I can still give you injections and whatever, I can treat you, I can do surgery, is that allowed? Same thing. Because our license comes from Tallahassee. Even the medical licenses comes from the same departments. So our licenses is only covered under us. And next time I'm going to talk about like dual licenses. Even if you have skincare license, you cannot perform some of the services. Some people they think they can perform without without particular license. They can perform everything under the skincare license, which is not true. You cannot do tattoos. You cannot do. You need tattoo license. To get a tattoo license, you don't need skincare license. To perform eyelash extensions, some people are doing from home. They are doing from different places, and they don't have licenses. They are thinking if they had a certification to perform eyelashes, they're thinking they can perform eyelash extensions without a license, which is not true. They needed skincare license to perform eyelash extensions. So there are lots of guidelines on the licensing. If you're doing tattoos, you need tattoo license. You don't need skincare license to perform tattoos. You need tattoo license. That's what I do. I teach tattoos. I teach eyelash extensions. I teach even permanent lip color and even liners and eyebrow like shading. Permanent, like it's not a permanent. Nowadays we're doing semi-permanent. We are no longer doing permanent tattoos because the color changes on those. We are doing nano, which is like a lines like eyebrows. Mine are done that way, which is a nano. So we do like lines. It looks like a real eyebrow, but that's that's done with the particular strokes, like a microblading, but it's not a microblading. It's more advanced than a microblading. Microblading is better than tattoo, but the nano is better than microblading. Nano and shading is better than microblading. So it depends on how your eyebrows are. We decide and do it, and I teach all those stuff because since I'm doing the tattoos, I'm definitely doing better than just doing the facials and the threading. I was making more money on this. So if you combine with the eyebrow threading with the tattoo, you would make a lot more money because the eyebrow threading covers all the employees' payments and the rent, and the tattoos gives you extra money. Then that is the best money I have seen in the industry. So everybody, you can learn tattoos. And if you have questions on that, like on your state requirements, how to do the tattoo licensing, I can always provide you the information. So guys, if you have any other questions, let me know. So when I first came to the New York, like I said, I struggled a lot, and all these questions. So now you have these, YouTubes and social medias. You can ask questions. You can get a lot of idea what you can do, how you can do. And a lot of people call and ask me, oh, I want to open a threading station. How do I go with that? So with that, you needed you needed a premises, occupational license, and the business license, which is skincare license, and you need a license for yourself. First step is you need a license for your stuff. Then you go and look for a premises, and then get an occupational license, and also get a business license, and then check with the other employees if you needed more people than you. Make sure you first apply their licenses too. So your license, their licenses is the first requirement, and then the location, and then the occupational license, then the business license, and then you needed a insurance for that business. So the professional liability. So you needed $1 million professional liability, slip and fall, and also the services performance liability. Then after that, what else you need? You need to buy the chair, you need to buy all that stuff, whatever you require. But if you add the tattoo along with the threading, whoever comes to get the eyebrow threading, if they have lighter eyebrows, if they have gaps, you can suggest them to do the tattoo, meaning the nano or the shading or the microblading. Then you can book your own eyebrow clients to these advanced treatments. And these advanced treatments, you charge like from $800 up to $500, and that is a better money. You need to do 100 eyebrows to get $800 instead of that. And nowadays there's so much of competition. People are doing for $2, $3 eyebrows, $5, which is ridiculous. Everybody has to maintain at least $12 for eyebrow threading, because if you're doing for cheap, Everybody is reducing, and you're not even able to pay your bills. $12 is the basic amount everybody should follow. See, the Chinese, they never reduce less than so much on a pedicure or a manicure. Wherever you go, it's the same prices, and everybody maintains same hygiene. You do the same thing. Indians or anybody who are doing threadings, please, I request you to maintain the price as a 12 and then maintain the hygiene in your locations. And if you do excellent job, they'll come back to you. I charge 18. Everybody comes back to me because we follow all, like, cleansing, and also we put a stone like ice after, all those stuff we do, and we pamper a lot more, and we have music, and also we have highest hygiene in our locations. Everything is white, so they love it, and we have 5 stars, all our locations, and then they love the way we do perform. It's less painful, and we put the ice after, and they come back. You don't need to do cheaper and cheaper every time you do, every time you open a location. Don't do that, okay? So any other questions? I'm just thinking of each and every, like, people when they call me with the questions, that's what I'm answering right now. And one more question, I get it. People call me after they go and sign a lease for the licenses. Don't do that. Do not sign a lease until you get your license and one more person's license who are going to work with you. At least you need 2 people to begin with and to go and sign a lease, even including the tattoo license. I'm telling every single threader, get a tattoo license and do microblading and nano and the shading. You can flourish like anything. You can make a lot more money with all that. Even you can do eyeliner, lip, all that. I can teach you easier way. But if you're good skilled person, if you're logically good, I would suggest to do those also. Those are safer to do it. But if you learn right way, and if you mix the colors right way, those are the best treatments, and clients gets highest satisfaction. Any other questions? Any other questions? If you ask me, then I can suggest. And then even if you know any of your friends, or even if you're going to any salons to get the services, if you see that they're struggling, if they don't have license, please let them know that I can do that. Give my phone number and they can text me on my cell, either WhatsApp or regular text. I can help them no matter which country they are from. It does not matter to me, because women should help women to grow. We need to prove ourselves. We are not less than anyone, male or woman, it's the same thing, and we have a lot more responsibilities and we have a lot more things to do. Sometimes they say that, oh, my husband is not sure to do it now. So, talk to them, convince them. Even I don't mind talking to them and convincing, to get the approval from your side. So what else, guys? And I know a lot of people, they want to open their own because threading is the easiest way to open and simple. But do not take too much of big space, because getting small places are easier, not easy to open a location. So if that is the case, do not go ahead and open bigger spaces. You can go and rent actually in any salon a room, and you can do your threading and facials in that room. And all those people who comes to get the haircuts and stuff like that, they can get your services. That's how actually I started when I came to this country, and then slowly I opened my own in a bigger version, because I do everything. I do organic facials, tattoos, eyeliners, and also I do facelifts, all those. So I have 5 employees. I have 2 locations, and I do little bit very upscale locations I have. I also help women, people who have their own dream, meaning they want to open their own but they don't know where to start. So you can also get the loans from minorities. That is another thing I always suggest people. Minorities, we are the minorities, Indians, Pakistanis, even Middle East people, all we are minority. We comes under minority women. So we get SBA loans for free, meaning without interest. So go and adopt those SBA loans and to open your own locations. You can get up to 100,000, even 500,000 you can get the loan. So then you can, it is a lot more easier if you're getting SBA loans. Sometimes they even give you, credit on those loans. You might not even able to pay back to them. So even whenever you get something like this pandemic, you again get more and more support if you are a minority. So get to know all these laws in America, because we all came from other country, we don't know all these, and then we end up more insecurity. We live with the insecurity, and also we don't use all these help from the government. But please get the help, guys. If you have citizenship of the US, you come under minority and get the help and use all those tricks. Even if you text me, I will help you and guide you. Even if you're not in the beauty industry, some other industry, if you're looking for money, I can guide you how to get that money easily. SBA loans. Even now, if you own a business, you can get those loans, like disaster loans and also SBA loans and PPP loans. So get those loans, guys, and pay your employees, and keep your business alive. That's what I can guide you. Any questions? If you have any other questions, I should be able to answer you. So next time live session, I'm thinking of talking about multi-licenses. You can grow a lot with the multiple licenses than just having one license. Yeah, if there's one question, if somebody don't know English, can I help them in Hindi or in Telugu? Yes, I'm a Telugu. I'm from Hyderabad, and I speak Hindi. I speak Hindi like the Hyderabadi Hindi, like a Urdu mixed. But I do speak Hindi. You can ask me, call me questions on talk in Hindi. I would love to do that. Even I know good Telugu. I can also answer you in Telugu. So you don't need to worry about that. Or you can ask your daughter to call me. A lot of times, their daughters help them to apply for the license and stuff like that. When I guide them what papers to bring, they don't get it. So I tell them, okay, give the phone to your daughter or son. They should be able to follow, and they can easily help you out. And always, their kids help them beautifully, and I would love that. So whichever way I would help you guys. If you needed help, just let me know, okay? Because this is the time right now. It's a lockdown time. You have lots of time, and I have time, and I should be able to help you what papers to bring and how to do and all that stuff. So get educated more and more, and go ahead and apply for your license and live head up and confidently and happily. And please charge what you deserve, okay? Do not charge you cheaper because someone else is doing $9 and you're going to charge $7. Don't do that. You don't deserve that. You do charge good amount, minimum $12, okay? Call other people also who are your competitors and tell them to raise to $12. We deserve $12, and get that going. Okay, guys? Okay. This is Ani Miriala again. And I have lots of experience, 35 years of experience in this business. So I have 35 locations in India, and I have some locations here. So I have lots of experience in India and here. So call me, even if you want to learn different treatments, even on organic facials. Like I do facials without using any chemicals, with all the stuff what you get normally, like cucumber, papaya, even mixing with the berry juice, mint, neem, basil, all those stuff. I can teach you all that, how to do natural. Even I do facelifts with the machines using natural ingredients. For example, if they ask you to use some kind of a gel to use a machine, so I use cucumber, papaya with the salt, because salt absorbs all those machines frequency. So like that I do. So I can teach you the facelifts, facials, even tattoos, permanent makeup, microblading, even how to remove old tattoo. All those things. I to repair actually old tattoos, all those things. Even how to use right colors on what kind of people, and how to make the shape perfect way to do the tattoos, even how to do the threading without pain, even the waxing, even the facials more relaxing with the meditation. All those I teach. I also teach meditation, how to relax ourselves, how to remove anxiety from the clients, all those, anything you name, I can do that. That's also, I got all those with the meditation power. So I can also teach you how to improve your health and how to become beyond than a normal human being. You can be a human, but you can retrieve all your powers from your chakras and from your soul, and you can be beyond, and you can be a god by yourself. So that's what I can teach you. So okay, there's one more question. Can I take a personal live sessions? Yes, I can do that. I can take a personal live sessions, and personal private sessions I charge $30 an hour. If it is group sessions, I charge $10 an hour. So it depends on what you want and how you want. If you have anxieties, or if you have stress with the spouse or the kids, I can make them align with you. I can remove all those stress and previous mind samskaras, and I can rewrite your troubles with the kids and all that stuff. Even food habits, if you have digestive problems, if you have any problems, skin problems, everything can be solved with simple techniques of the food, and also with the meditation. Even simple technique of meditation, not a lot of people say I can't meditate, all these thoughts come. I'll teach you how to do it with the thoughts. Okay guys, ఇక్కడ లేదత్తమ్మా వీడియోలు ఉన్నా, నేను వస్తా. So this is how I do the personal live sessions. Any problem you have, any question you have, you can always call back, and you can tell me what kind of help you require. I could be able to do it. So guys, this is Ani Miriala. If you have any questions, let me know again. My phone number is 954-243-8549. I'm here to help you, and especially at this lockdown time, improve your health, improve yourself. Okay, that way you should work with with all of your powers, inner powers, not just a human being, just a human who struggles with the mind talking all the time. Keep your mind rest. That's when you get the peace. That's only possible with the meditation. Okay guys, this is Ani Miriala. If you have any questions, just ask me. I can come back again as a live session. I can always answer on the social media to guide you better, or you can text me and call me on the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you for listening. Thank you for following me. I'll come back with another time with the multi licenses, how to get multi licenses, and how you increase your revenue. You can increase your revenue triple. It will become 3 times more if you add more licenses, and if you add more treatments, which are expensive ones, because these tattoos you can earn $800 for 2 hours of treatment. Okay, so that's what I can teach you, how to make $800 in 2 hours. Just like physicians, you can do as an esthetician. That's what my goal, to make you guys to earn. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye. And please do your thumbs up, and also do the notifications whenever I do the live. You should be able to get the notification. Okay, bye.